I'm Joe McMullen, Oil and Gas Marketing Director at AVEVA. I'm answering some of your most asked questions. No nonsense, no promotion. Today's question: why is the energy transition important? The energy transition is important because energy is not one sector of the economy. It is the foundation of every critical system society depends on: healthcare, food production, clean water, transportation, heating, manufacturing, digital infrastructure. All of it works only if energy is affordable, reliable, and available when needed. The current energy system has delivered enormous human progress, but it also creates growing risk. The transition matters because it addresses these risks without abandoning the benefits of modern energy. Diversified energy systems reduce dependence on a single fuel, region, or supply chains. More efficient systems waste less energy and save money. When done well, decarbonization strengthens resilience rather than weakening it. An energy system that cannot absorb shocks, scale with demand, or operate affordably will fail people when they need it the most. The energy transition is important because it is a risk management problem at a global scale. The objective is not perfection. The objective is a system that steadily lowers emissions while protecting human well-being, economic stability, and energy security over decades, not election cycles. Stay tuned for more videos where I answer your questions, and join me on Monday, March 30th on my Reddit Ask Me Anything. The link is in the video description. Thank you.